You're not lazy, you're not broken, and you don't have an attention span problem. You have a dopamine problem because in the last 24 hours, your brain has probably consumed 100 plus pieces of micro content, 3 different conversations at once, and at least 1 hour of scrolling you barely remember. And now, your brain is fried. You can't focus, not because you're weak, but because you're overstimulated. Dopamine is your brain's motivation chemical. It tells your mind what to focus on and what to chase, but in today's world, it's getting hijacked. Every swipe, every ping, every like, it's a hit. And when you get too many hits too often, you lose your ability to focus on anything slow, deep, or meaningful. You start a task, and 3 seconds later, you're opening a new tab. You go to do one thing and end up chasing 20. You try to rest, but your brain's still scrolling, even when your phone's off. This isn't just distraction, it's dopamine fatigue. Here's how you know your dopamine system is out of balance. You get bored instantly, even doing things you used to enjoy. You pick up your phone without realizing it. You feel drained, not from doing too much, but from doing nothing deeply. You crave constant input, music, podcasts, videos, noise, and worst of all, you lose touch with joy. Because dopamine burnout numbs the brain's reward center, even success stops feeling good. The fix isn't to quit technology. It's to reset your reward system. Here's how. 1. 30 minutes of nothing. Each day, sit in silence. No screens, no background noise. Let your brain detox. 2. 1 walk, no phone. Let your brain wander, not scroll. 3. Monotasking. Do one thing at a time. Let your brain finish what it starts. Multitasking is dopamine chaos. 4. Embrace boredom. It's not the enemy. It's the gateway to creativity. Let yourself be still long enough to feel again. 5. Reduce novelty. Skip the 12-tab browsing. Stop jumping apps every 15 seconds. Choose depth over dopamine. Your brain doesn't need more hacks. It needs healing, because right now your attention is being sold, second by second, to the highest bidder. And the cost? Your peace, your focus, your clarity, your ability to just sit and be. Think about it. When was the last time you read a page without checking your phone, or finished a task without getting distracted 5 times, or sat in silence, not by accident but by choice? You weren't born distracted, you were trained to be this way. But here's the good news. You can train yourself to come back to depth, back to focus, back to presence. This isn't just about being more productive, it's about being more connected to your ideas, your values, your joy, and your real life. Because the moments you're missing, they're not inside your phone, they're happening in the quiet you've been avoiding. So, if you want your focus back, you start with one choice. Give yourself back to your own attention. Put the phone down, look out a window, take a walk, and let your mind settle. Your clarity is still there. It's just waiting for silence. If this message resonated with you, subscribe. This channel is about prosperity, health, wealth, and abundance, not just on paper, but in your actual life. We're not here to chase more. We're here to live better. And your reset? It starts now.